Review chapter 5 of the book, The LEKKI Headmaster. We have been on a series in our channel reviewing this book for you. We are doing it for you free. We are reading it. We have done chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the last chapter, to the 12th chapter. So in our channel, you will see all the videos, all the readings of all the channels. This is chapter 5 and we'll be reviewing it. If you have not watched or listened to our reading and review of chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4, I will drop the link so that after you are done with listening and reviewing chapter 5 with me, you can now go and listen to all those one. My promise is that we are reviewing all of them for you and we are giving it to you free of charge. Remember, at the end of this video, I will share with you how I can, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will share with you how I can give you free past questions, JAMB past questions in the 4 subjects we'll be writing. I will also share with you how I can give you free syllables in the 4 JAMB subjects we are writing. If you also want me to send you this book, LEKKI Headmaster, I will also share with you how you can get it at the end of this video. So let us dive into chapter number 5. The title is Snake in the Roof. Let us know how a snake entered Stardom School in Lekki, Lagos. Remember, we have been reviewing the story of Mr. Beppo Adewale, who is considering traveling to the United Kingdom. Okay, let's read on. Long break. Joyful sounds of pupils at every corridor. At the primary and secondary sections, the children never missed the opportunity to play despite that it was time to eat. It was also a time when Principal Beppo and teachers on duty moved round to ensure there was no dangerous play. That is, to ensure that the children did not engage in dangerous play, the students and the pupils. As 1 or 2 students had an arm or other broken in the past, Mr. Ibiodun Gloss, that is the MD, Managing Director of the school, had just uploaded her lunch. She escaped into a room in her spacious office for a little rest. This getaway was a top secret very few people knew in the academic community of about 1,500 folks, comprising students and staff. Yet, if the privileged few knew she had time out in any room, none really understood why. They never knew the health condition that plagued her buttocks, leaving her with a peppery pain whenever she sat for long. She had been to doctors within and outside the country. She had, in the course of over 30 years living with the condition, explored spiritual and traditional interventions, all to no avail. She, therefore, learned to live with it, especially as it did not immobilize her. Minutes after, she chose to alter her schedule a little by taking a walk round the surrounding. Remember, this chapter number 5 is titled A Snake in the Roof. So let us read on as we search for the snake. And she, in the end, thanked her stars that she did. The MD decided a little instinctively to explore the opportunity to inspect a piece of land that Stardom acquired 2 years before. At the back of the school, they acquired a piece of land. That was some 5 minutes away from the back gate of the school. As she approached the gate, the 2 security men manning it stood at attention, with one hurriedly opening it as she gestured them to do. Both made a move to accompany her out, but she asked one of them to remain at their duty post. On getting to her destination, she found out that although the property remained fenced as the management had left it, about a half of the 3 plots were filled with cars of different brands. So when she came to that property that the school bought, a piece of land, right, about 3 plots, she found out that there were cars parked in it, and she became very surprised. They were not new, but it was obvious to the Stardom's big woman that they were in use and that some people were using the place as a park. Our staff park here, ma. The guard, Jumbo, said to saved the MD from puzzle. Which staff, she asked as she could not hide her shock. Our teachers and other staff. She was confused the more because she knew there was a staff car park in the school, and she, like almost everyone else, knew who had cars and who did not. Ma, it is not everyone that brings their car into the school, Jumbo said in a tone that meant more than he uttered. The MD took time to inspect the rides, wanting to know. I hope you are following. I hope you are following. Remember, if there is anything you do not understand, you let me know, right? Also, when I send this novel to you and send the other materials, you take your time to read through, right? Okay. So many of her staff were hiding their cars from management, she thought. She saw different brands and models, including Toyota, Hyundai, Venza, and Mazda. She even saw the big Toyota some drivers called Muzzle. The MD skipped a breath and shook her head with self-pitying. There were even two buses at the far right of the park. One was white, while the other wore the ubiquitous Lagos yellow color. Were some people cheating on her by engaging in public transportation? She felt more anger mixed with fear run through her system. She summoned the principal. Remember, the principal of the school is Mr. Beppo. Mr. Beppo, that is the main protagonist of this novel, The LEKKI Headmaster. Okay, if you don't know what he is called the LEKKI Headmaster, please watch our review of chapter 1 and 2. Okay, and I counter via a phone call. Too bad for her and too bad for the school, she thought. Something must be wrong, right? Something must be wrong. The school purse must be leaking. How were the teachers getting money to buy those kind of cars? She further thought as she surveyed the park again. Afternoon, madam, the accountant said as he arrived. Accountant, what is happening in this school? The MD asked. Great things, madam. Accountant, I didn't call you for a motivational speech. What is happening? How safe is this school? How safe is our money? Before the accountant, who could no more hide his confusion, could say anything further, the MD added, where are all these monies coming from? Where are teachers and storekeepers and every gardener getting the money to buy these cars? Where did this happen? When did this happen? How did it happen to us? Can you imagine? The MD was angry that the staff were having cars. Okay, let us continue looking for the snake. Jeremy Amos, the accountant, now understood his boss' fear. She thought people were stealing to buy cars. He and the principal, who had also arrived at the scene, exchanged glances. It was an understanding that the letter should speak. Mr. Beppo therefore first ordered Jumbo to go back to school. Jumbo is the security man. By this time, the fear was quite palpable all over the MD's face. That is, it was very noticeable. For the first time in a long while, she sweated profusely. Ma, please, let's go to the office, Beppo said. Okay, the principal said instead of them trying to resolve or explain the situation in the plot of land where the cars are parked, she now said, okay, please let us go to your office to explain. I hope you are following the story of chapter 5. Okay, in the MD's office, the accountant and the principal assured her that the school's finances were intact. He noted that while some of the teachers had raised money for their cars through various personal means, including loans, the main source of financial strength for about half of those who owned the 17 vehicles. How many vehicles? 17 vehicles was the school cooperative. So Stardom School in Lekki, Lagos had a cooperative, a staff cooperative for the teachers, right? School cooperative. According to the two principal officers, a good number of the members of staff were taking loans, which they had also been duly paying back. After all, the loans were being deducted from source. Yet, if the information did calm the MD down, it also raised another major question. How fat was the cooperative purse that it guaranteed those she saw as every Tom, Dick, and Harry a choice car? And perhaps inadvertently, that was the way she asked the question, how much is in the account of the Stardom Cooperative Society that it could buy every fool the car of his or her choice? Can you imagine? I hope you are following my story. The word fool hit the two men like a thunderbolt. They did not find it funny at all. They again exchanged glances but managed to maintain their cool. Beppo was happy that neither the VP nor the physics teacher was at the meeting. Neither might have been able to stay so mute in the circumstances based on their extroverted profile. Before we continue, at the end, remember to let me know, and I will also let you know how you can get free past questions from me. I will send it to you free. How you can also get your syllabus. Syllabus are so important because they will guide you as you study for your JAMB exam. I will also send it to you. If you also want to get a copy of this book, if you want to buy a copy, I will also send it to you. But at the end of this video, which you will get to very soon, I will share with you how you can get those materials. It will help you. They will really help you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. The following day, she called a meeting. That is the MD called a meeting of the board of directors, all members of the same family. The chairman, so all the board members of Stardom School were members of the same family. So the school was basically owned by the same family. The chairman, Chief Mrs. Salope Bayo, who was the MD's mother, Martin Bayo, a non-executive director, and Oye Bayo, the last born, who was the board secretary. Not willing to take any chances, the MD asked for details of the cooperative society's account from the accountant and the principal. In the purse was 95 million. I hope you noted it, because these are the things JAMB may ask you. In the purse was 95 million, while over 50 million had been loaned out. It's like hanging a snake in the roof. Remember, the title of this chapter is Snake in the Roof. So Chief Bayo said it's like doing what? Hanging a snake in the roof and going to bed. Chief Bayo said, what if the staff rebel and jointly establish their own school with the money? They would have stolen our brand ideas and every other thing about us. Okay, I hope you are with me. The board weighed the threat and unanimously reached a decision which guided the cooperative ever since. No staff member. What was the decision? Remember, they were afraid. They were even angry that many of the teachers were buying cars. So what they now and it was realized that the teachers were able to afford those cars because they were taking loans from the cooperatives, from the staff cooperative society, the school's cooperative society. They were even not failing in paying back. They take loans and the money is deducted from the salary. But the owners of the school, the board, the family that owned the school were not happy. They felt if the staff are making so much money, they could one day open their own school, or they could run away, things like that. Now, they made a decision. They said no staff member could borrow more than 250,000. They limited the loan limit a staff could borrow to 250. Also, all loan requests had to be approved by the MD. They also said that every loan request had to be approved by the MD, managing director of the school, and the management must be duly informed about the cooperative's election. Now, that is the story. I hope you got the gist. It wasn't really a race snake. It was the man just said, Chief Bayo just said, it's like hanging a snake. What is like hanging a snake? Allowing the teachers to buy cars and make much money. If you want me to send you free past questions or syllables, or you want to buy this book, what you could do is 3 things. Like this video, boop the like button, then share this video, then importantly subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. type I have subscribed. Once I see I have subscribed, I will chat you up and then send those materials to you. So like this video, share this video on WhatsApp, on all your friends writing JAMB, so that they will benefit. Then also subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to type I have subscribed. Go ahead now and watch the next video.